We are halfway in our lambing, and of course I had to get sick. So, hope you had a nice flight. Even though I'm sick, of course, we do work. And we do try our best to make everything as good and easy for the sheep as possible. And luckily we do have our iPads where we can see what is happening. And we do walk out every now and then, just listen to if we hear lambs that are making a lot of noise, we go and check. And then every night we get them into kind of like a round pen stuff with a carport that we bring them so that they can be safe from foxes, from eagles. And then we go around to just see if there's any lambs that have fallen asleep or been left behind. And it happens, like yesterday it happened. And we had one lamb that was quite early, it was left by its mom, and now it's not doing good. It will probably not survive. We've been feeding it now for 4 or 5 days and it's not standing, so it probably has to go. And then we of course check that all the sheep are doing fine, and hopefully they do. So we are missing one sheep with lambs, trying to find it somewhere. Hopefully we do. And he's trying for his first time. So it seems like we'll find the last one. And now they're eating. And a little update on the adoption that we weren't sure about, but it seems okay now, no more no less. It's not killing it, but it's not loving it either. And we're halfway. So just 26 more years to go. Evening, 9:30, deck, and we are just checking for extra lambs. Kom fot! Hei! Kom fot! Nei! Sit. We'll see. I think we have all. Better safe than sorry. Deck. Wow. I love those stone walls or stone fences. So we're back in the barn with the sheep. Just had one unit got one lamb, and she's waiting for another one. And then we have another ewe that is ready and starting labor. And then we do have some more that I think will come tonight. I don't know what time it is now. It's around 11, I guess. O'clock in the evening. Just have to wait and see. That's life, actually, on a farm. It's a lot of waiting, especially now. I should probably have filmed that, but it was something else. So we had one sheep. She was supposed to have two. We got two, but there was also one undevolved fetus thing in the middle, which was spent a lot of time getting out, and at the same time there was another one that was supposed to have three, and it got three, but the first one had his elbows first. It's hard to elbow your way out in life. Yeah, it's not a good idea. So we had to be two people. And now I just have to weighed them, written down everything. And now it's just the last spray that we use to avoid infections. And I will go to bed because now it's 12:30, I think.